Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss about how to fix Minecraft GLFW error 65542 WGL. The driver does not appear to support OpenGL TLauncher. What you need to do to sort out this error, go to the search engine, let's say google.com, and type OpenGL 32.dll download. Here you can see as a first option OpenGL 32.dll free download. It should come under DLL-files. So click on it. Now in this page, scroll down. You will see a couple of downloading selections. What you need to check is your system, if it is 64 or 32-bit. So for 64-bit system, you can click on this download here, 64, and click on the download. For 32, scroll down, you will see here the architecture 32, so you can click on this download. Now if you don't know if your system is 32 or 64, what you can do to know that, go to the search toolbar. Here type version of Windows. You will see as a best match, the second best match. See if you have a 32 or 64-bit, click on it. And then here is the description of your system. You will need to check system type. My system type is 64-bit, so check yours, and then you will know which download you need to make. So for me, I need to make the 64-bit download. Click on that. Downloading open. Your download will start in 3 seconds. So this is the download here. Click on show in folder. What you need to do, you need to drag it to the desktop and then click on it. And here drag the file OpenGL32.dll, drag it to the desktop. Then close this window and go to the search toolbar and type File Explorer. Click on it. And here go under this PC, go to local disk, click on it. And then click on Program Files. And then click on Java. Then click on GRE 1.8.0_261. Click on that. Here, drag this file into the bin file. Then click on Continue. And once this is done, close the window and restart your PC, and this error should be resolved. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.